So here we have a definite integral example, but we have an inside function, this 6 minus x squared part, and an outside function, the power of 3. So we'll need to use a u substitution. We can make u is equal to the inside function is usually a good choice, 6 minus x squared, and then take the derivative of both sides to get d du dx is equal to the derivative of 6 goes to 0, the derivative of minus x squared goes to minus 2x. Then we solve for dx by multiplying by dx on both sides. That gives us du is equal to negative 2x dx, and then divide by the negative 2x on both sides to get du over negative 2x is equal to dx. So now we can substitute into the integral. We'll leave the 2x there. The 6 minus x squared is u, so that would be times u to the power of 3. And then substitute for the dx, du over negative 2x. But in order to do our limits of integration, because we changed our variable, we also have to define our new limits in terms of u. So when x is equal to negative 3, u would be 6 minus negative 3 squared, which is 6 minus negative 3 squared is 9. So 6 minus 9 is also negative 3. So the u limit would still be negative 3 on the bottom. For when for when x is negative 2, that would make u is equal to 6 minus negative 2 squared, which negative 2 squared is 4. Be 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the top limit of integration would be 2. From here we can simplify. The 2x on the top and bottom cancel out. We can bring the negative through to make negative integral from negative 3 to 2 of u cubed du. Make that 3 look a little better. There we go. So then we can take our integral. So it would be negative u to the add 1 to the exponent to make 4, divide by the new exponent, divide by 4, evaluated from negative 3 to 2. So then we plug in top minus the bottom. So this would be negative 2 to the power of 4 over 4 minus, plug in the bottom, negative 3 to the power of 4 over 4. Give myself a little bit more room here. And we get 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So negative 4 minus, now we have a negative 3 to the power of 4 is positive 81. We have another negative on the outside and a minus. So minus a negative is plus 81 over 4. So then to combine this fraction, we would get a common denominator and make this negative 16 over 4 plus 81 over 4. And negative 16 plus 81 is 65 over 4, which would be the final answer.